Kikademy, the Kids Academy.
Welcome to the Giggle-tastic Riddle Show. Ready to twist your brain and tickle your funny bone? It's time for Riddles and Giggles. Riddles are funny brain teasers with sneaky questions that play tricks with words. They make guessing the answer a fun and exciting game. I have wings and I can fly. I'm not a bird yet soar so high. What am I? Airplane. What runs around the yard without moving? Fins. What has one head, 1 foot, and 4 legs? Bed. What has ears but cannot hear? Gone. What begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it? Teapot. What has a bed but doesn't sleep and a mouth but doesn't eat? River. The more you have of it, the less you see. What is it? Darkness. What has roots as nobody sees, is taller than trees, up it goes, and yet never grows? Mountain. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? Silence. I am always hungry. I must always be fed. The finger I touch will soon turn red. What am I? Fire. Well done, folks. Keep those brains sharp and those smiles wide until the next time on Riddles and Giggles. Keep laughing and keep puzzling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures.